Hello, I'm Olga from RubyMine, and in this video I'll show you how you can work with different Ruby version managers in our IDE. First, I'd like to talk about the system Ruby. If you have it installed, you can add it as a local interpreter in the Ruby SDK and gems section of the settings by clicking on the plus sign. RubyMine allows you to customize the environment a local interpreter uses to run Ruby commands. To do this, you need to provide environment variable values or a path to a configuration script that when adding the local interpreter. The recommended way to manage your Rubies is to use a version manager instead of using the system Ruby, as it helps you avoid problems such as permissions or OS-specific implementations. RubyMine automatically detects Rubies installed via rbenv, rbenv, asdf, and Ruby version managers on the local machine. Here I have rbenv installed, and you already can see it in the list. Let's install a new Ruby version and check how the IDE detects it. Let's open the terminal. And install a new Ruby. Now, let's wait a bit so that RubyMine catches the changes. And let's check the settings. As you can see, a new Ruby is listed. Now let's check the scenario with rbenv installed. We already have one in the list, so let's repeat the same steps. And install a new Ruby. Let's generate documentation. Wait for a couple of seconds. And reopen the settings. For rbenv, you can also create gemsets via the context menu for the chosen interpreter. This works the same way with asdf. Now, let's wait a bit and check the interpreter list. As you can see, it's been added there. If your version manager is installed in a non-standard location and not detected in RubyMine, you can add it manually by choosing Version Manager under the plus sign and selecting the path to the version manager's executable. If necessary, you can check the paths of your Rubies right from the settings by clicking the Show Interpreter Path button. That's all for now. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us.